Okay, now that you've got things set up in your project panel and organized there, you're ready to start adding things to your timeline, which will be your actual video that you're creating. So here under videos in my project panel, I'm going to find the video, and if I show them as icons, I can get a better sense of them. So I'll open up videos. If I hold down Alt, if I double click this bin here, it'll open in this pop-up window, but I really don't like that. So I'm going to hold down Alt and double click it, and it'll open right here. And then I'm going to find the video of someone in my group introducing themselves. That's not it. It is here, I believe.
Hi.
And right before she says hi, I'm going to go ahead and do what's called set an endpoint. So this little front bracket, that marks an endpoint. You see when I click that this changes color to blue. I'm basically saying I'm selecting this part of the video. Now I also want to set an out point. So
Hi,
I'll go ahead.
I'm Cecilia DeVolio.
Right after she stops saying her name, I'll set an out point. And you'll see that now I've got just this section of the video selected here. I'm going to now click on the actual video, hold and drag down to my timeline and put that in video 1. You'll notice that I get this little pop-up box that says this video, the settings for my camera, don't match the settings for this sequence. You notice that this is 16 by 9, it's widescreen, and this is what's called 4 by 3. It's kind of your old standard TV. I want everything to look like this, so I'm going to ask Premiere to change my sequence settings, and you'll notice now that this box looks just like this box. Now, I've got this clip in my timeline. You'll notice I have something in my video track there and also in my audio track. That's the audio from this video. And now I'm going to do the next. So that's the first shot in my scavenger hunt, is a medium shot of myself introducing myself. Now, interestingly, this isn't exactly a medium shot. I could pull this in a little bit so that it's more of waist up, and I could make it so that it's rule of thirds and move Cecilia over a little bit. And now I've got more of a medium shot that's rule of thirds. Now, next I need to have a long shot of a place on campus where champions are made. So my next shot in my sequence will be this shot here. And again, I'm going to set an in point and an out point. Now this one doesn't matter as much because no one's talking in it. So I'll just choose somewhere to set an in point, out point. You can see that this is now 5 seconds. That might be a little long, but if I show it maybe for 4 seconds and 15 frames, I can take this now and drag it down right after that first clip in my timeline, and now I've got those first two. The next clip I need is a close-up of someone's hands doing something interesting. So I'll find that clip in here. This one's that clip, and I'll see that as that hand enters the frame, I'll set my endpoint, and as it kind of exits the frame there, I'll set my out point, and I'll drag that one down. So you're going to do that with all 15 of your clips for your scavenger hunt. You'll get all of those lined up in your timeline, and then you'll be ready for the next step.